Hi everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to post YouTube videos to Instagram on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video till the end. Like it. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to go to the YouTube app on your iPhone. Then find the video we want to post on Instagram. Click on that video. Click Share. And click Copy Link. Exit. Go to Instagram. I'll show you an example next. Let's say we want to add to our story. We're going to click Add. We're going to choose a picture or a video. And then in order for us to post it, we click on the top right here. We click Link. Paste in the link and click Done. Now this link can be placed at the top, at the bottom. Make it bigger. Make it smaller. Rotate it. Now it's updating. And look, we go in, and there's this link right here. Go, click on the link, and automatically the person is taken to the video from both YouTube and from our Instagram. That's how easy it is to do it. If you liked this video, you can give it a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.